There you go.
We're back here for a Saturday night day. The Celtics have slipped behind now, 98-83, 2:07 to go. Check out today's game summary brought to you by Land Rover.
No, shoot it. Take your time. Take your time.
Restart again. 16 in the first quarter.
There you go.
All Celtics starters with 10 or more points.
This one, Dad. This one.
7, 5 of 8 shooting the three.
This one.
Bradley 18 in the second half to keep.
Oh! What's this? What's this? Oh.
So we're not showing you edited clips
What's this?
of random shots. We're showing you back-to-back shots
What's this?
of what he does.
Oh. What about the
You
other
guys know where I'm
one?
going with this.
Oh,
I've
whoa.
been saying this for days, weeks,
Whoa.
months. My boy is a beast. He's coming for that kid.
Ah! Gotcha! Got!
He's coming for the title.
Got!
He is coming for the title. Give him another one. Give him another one, Jordan.
Do another one?
And my boy got the right name too.
Yeah, my boy.
Yeah, shoot it.
Yeah.
My boy got the name too. Shoot it.
You and the beast is coming. You and the beast is coming.
Alright, shoot another one. My boy's a beast.
You and
Shoot
the
another
beast.
one.
The Beauty and the Beast.
Shoot another one.
You and the Beast.
Stop saying beast.
You and the Beast.
Let me back it up a little, Jordan.
Back it up.
Back it up a little.
Up.
Give him another one.
We're going to take a look at another angle.
Try this.
A little higher. There you go. Another one.
Ah. This is that.
Give him another one. Give him another one. Ooh, give him another one.